Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change TCP RCP print port. To start, in the search box, enter gpedit, open the item. After this, in Computer Configuration, open Administrative Templates. Access the Printers folder. Here, double-click on the policy, configure RPC listener settings. You will activate the enabled box. At the bottom, leave the default values. Click on Apply and OK. Then double-click on the policy Configure RPC connection settings. You will mark the enabled option, leave the default options, and apply these changes. Finally, double-click on the policy Configure RPC over TCP port. Here, enable this policy, and at the bottom you can set the desired port number. Click on Apply and OK. After this, to apply these changes, restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.